Now that you have been able to get a domain name and you've been able also to secure a host, there are various ways to install WordPress. One of them is to install it online, and the other is to install it on your local PC. You design, and thereafter you move it into your cPanel, or you host it somewhere else. To install it on your PC, you need XAMPP, which is a local server, and you will need a WordPress file. The WordPress file can be downloaded from wordpress.org. Just like we understood before, WordPress in itself is free. It is free for you to use WordPress. It's a CMS that is used by virtually millions of other entrepreneurs and businesses like yours. So, to use WordPress is free. It is open source and anyone, anywhere can use it. Just like we highlighted before, some of the reasons why WordPress is good is because it is SEO friendly, responsive, it has high performance, high security. That's the reason why a lot of businesses use it. So if you want to install locally, you first of all have to go to wordpress.org and get WordPress. When you click on get WordPress, it will download a zip file and you would put it on your system. We are not going to be dwelling on that on this course. We are going to be installing our WordPress straight up on the cPanel. But I assure you, I'm going to give you a bonus video that will show you how to install WordPress on your local server. I will log into my cPanel, put my username and my password, click login then. Immediately I click login, the cPanel dashboard might be a bit confusing at first, but as you keep on using it, you will see that you only need a select few of the features. You do not need the entire features, just a select few. So what I am interested in, Softaculous App Installer. It's a free app installer in your cPanel that you can use to install thousands of applications. Clicking it, it will show me all the type of CMS, which is content management system, all the type of CMS I can install, and all the type of pre-written scripts that I can install on my cPanel. There is WordPress, there is Joomla, there is OpenCart, there is PHP-BB, there are lots of them. All of them are used for simple projects, different types of projects. I want to install WordPress, so I will click on the WordPress installation, which is what I want. And after clicking on it, I will see the number of WordPress installation that I have. But this is not what I want, so I'm going to go back. What I want to click on install, not the installation. I will click on install and scroll down. When you scroll down, you would see that WordPress has several versions. As at the time of recording this course, the latest version is version 5.53. I will click on it, select the domain name that I want to register WordPress on. If there is XSL, then I will click on the HTTPS, but if there is none, I will click on the HTTP. My domain name came with an XSL certificate, so I'm going to click on HTTPS. Most of you, when you're installing WordPress, you would see this folder here, WP. Please wipe it away. It is not necessary. Wipe it away so that your WordPress installation will install in the public folder. So the name of my site, I would put it as my business website or my business portfolio. Then my site description, I will leave it that way because I can always change it. My username is admin, but it can be anything I like. My name is Paul. I'm going to call my username Paul. It could be anything. It can be admin, it can be a funny name, it can be a pet name. The password is very important. It's good you copy the password and paste it on a sheet. Paste it on a notepad where you can easily see it. I'm going to paste mine in a browser. So after that, I will go ahead and say install. It's not necessary that you have to pick a theme. It's not necessary at all that you have to pick a theme. Now I'm not going to be picking a theme. I'm just going to leave WordPress like that, so it will install with the default theme. I will click on install. Installation time will take only a few seconds, but it might take 3 to 4 minutes depending on how fast your internet is. If you have a very fast internet, then it will install as fast as possible. See, we are all done. We've installed WordPress in our system, but let's see how it is. I'll click on the cavigo.ng, which is the domain name I'm using to access my WordPress website. So this is the way a new WordPress website will be. You would have the hello world, you would have the simple page, you would then have the name of the website and also the tagline. When you scroll down, you would have a few posts and a few widgets. This is what we're going to be learning about as we move on in this course. Also, you have a chance to visit the administrative dashboard. This is the way our WordPress dashboard looks like. This is where we are going to control everything that is happening in our site.